I the only one dreaming in color all night? 'Cause everybody else is sleeping.
Hi guys, welcome back to Shellomi's DIY channel. And now I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful chandelier. So without further ado, let's get started. From Daiso, I bought this safety corner guard. And I have this old RGB LED light. And then I have this sparkling diamond mesh from Kupang. And spray glue, but this is optional. And then this wire. For those who are here in South Korea, you know where Daiso is and the Kupang online shopping. First, we want to measure this corner guard with the wire. And after that, I'm going to put some tape on the end of the wire for our safety. So we can see, we have these 6 holes, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. This is so thick, that's why I decided to cut the both sides. Oh my gosh, namimilipit na talaga yung dila ko kasi Korean na yung salita ko ngayon. My gosh. Basta be careful in cutting. So we have a total of 4 holes. We just have to insert the wire. I can't push it all the way, that's why I decided to stop at the middle and then add another one on the second row so we can bend it nice later. After we cut the wire, we just have to put some tape again. This is what I'm telling you. We have to put the next wire on the next hole. And this is what it looks like. I'll just repeat this step on the other side. Next step is attaching the RGB LED light. I'm going to use this spray glue, but if you don't have this, you can double-sided tape or just a glue stick. By the way, I bought this LED light way back 3 years ago for about 5 meters, I think. So I decided to make it back to back. We have this 5 meters long LED. So I'm just going to cut the excess. But first, I need to check this if it's working. And yes, it is. We have to be careful in cutting this or else it will not gonna work. Of course, we need to unplug it first before we cut. And this, look at this. This is where we want to cut this LED strip. I'm just going to seal it with this plastic straw. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Let's check if it's working. Oh yeah, we did it! The next part, I'm just going to cut this mesh and glue it on the top of this LED strip. I'm going to use a spray glue again. Don't worry if you don't have this is not necessary. You can just use glue stick to attach this mesh. As you can see, I'm wearing a glove because it's too sticky really. And at the end, I'll just put a tape because it's not dry yet. And then I decided to put some gems. And this is what it looked like. I'm just going to bend it to form a circle. And I'll just tie the side to make it in place. After this, we also need a yarn or nylon and needle. You just have to tie it. The purpose of this is to stabilize or stay the shape in place, and of course for hanging this chandelier. And I will add this glass beads.
Am I the only one dreaming in color all night? 'Cause everybody else is sleeping in old black and white. And gravity can't stop me from flying. I'm reaching, I'm climbing. The heavens aren't that far away. 'Cause I've got the future set in my mind. Said I can see the future, and it's all mine, all mine. Am I the only one moving towards the finish line? Don't even care if I'ma lose it, I just want to feel alive. And gravity can't stop me from flying.